Hi guys, welcome to another video, and as you can see in the thumbnail, I'm sharing today some of the important tools that you need to know if you are a SEO expert or you're working on blogging or search engine side of things. These tools are important because you need to understand that there are a lot of ranking changes that happens in Google very frequently. However, you might have noticed that However, you must have noticed that people always talk about the Google core updates, which are kind of a very big updates, but Google do have a regular updates and they do not share when the update is happening. And if your rankings are fluctuating ups and down, then these tools will help you in making sure that you understand why the rankings are happening. And then you can do a research and understand what needs to be done for your website on to make sure the rankings are correct. Okay, so in the screen, I will jump onto the screen, and please do click on the like button if you like these videos. I don't want to ask for that again, but yeah, if you see in the screen, you will see a website called status.search.google. Now this is a Google search incident dashboard. Now I'm not sure if you understand what I mean by incidents, but Google terms it as incidents, ranking as an incident. So it has given all the major updates that are being reported for ranking. So all incidents reported for ranking. Now ranking is experiencing an ongoing issue. So this was an incident that was raised. Core update is also an incident kind of a status for Google, and it is reported in this dashboard. So this gives mostly the core updates and everyone talks about it. Everyone says, okay, this has happened, spam update came in, etc, etc. But how do people know that the rankings have fluctuated as of it? Either they go to people, or they search manually, or they use tools. So they use the tools and they know when the rankings are fluctuating. They do monitor these tools daily, and I do check these tools weekly to understand what are the trends. So I will be sharing you top 5 tools that I normally go for. So I only use 2 or 3, but I will be sharing a list of 5 tools that you can also use it for understanding whether the Google rankings have caused your website to change. And this will also help in researching the content, and you can make sure like you are writing the content based on these ranking factors. So the number 1 tool in this list is SEMrush Sensor, which is free. You just have to type in SEMrush Sensor in Google, you will find the tool. See, I haven't logged in anything. It's all free. You can just type in. It only provides the data between major countries, and you won't see the data for any other countries, mainly the US. If you see the US, you can understand that I'll remove the top stories. So this is the search volatility for the last 30 days, and it says very high. So the rankings are changing still very much. It's the desktop view. You can check the mobile view as well. So it's pretty much same. Now the interesting part is you will get lot of data around it. Okay, so that's the key. Now interesting things are feature snippet has dropped as per this. Site links have dropped. What do site link means is that whenever a post comes in, you will see different sites onto your page. That is site link. AI overview is increasing. Okay, however, it is only 2.8% of the search result. Now people are talking lot about AI, that AI will take over the search. It's only contributing to the 2.8% of the search. Okay, so it is not contributing massively. Categories, you can see all categories I have selected, and these are the categories it tracks. So then you can see what else is increasing, whether you are looking for that sort of data. Now video, that is one of the bit I was quite shocked to see. So till 3rd of October, you would have seen that the videos are ranking too much, and then suddenly from 22% it dropped to 12% in a single day. So So they are removing the videos from the search results and putting the content, which is a very good news for creators like us who writes a lot of content around the text related content. We do have to create a video. However, were taking a lot of search positions, which has reduced. Don't know why, but this data says it, and you can then analyze it, and you can comment on if you have seen such change in your website ranking. Lot of data, lot of bits to understand, lot of things to check. And if you are posting based on recipes, then you can see it's only the 2% of the search that happens. Okay, then if you want to know whether which, say, in whichever category your data is in, then you can check like news. So if you see news, it checks around these keywords. You know which keywords now SEMrush is tracking on. So it's not all of the web, it tracks on particular keywords, and that is how these data are published. Now based on this, I hope you will understand, or you will be able to drive some of the new bits for your website, or drive some of the traffic for your website as well, or make sure like you understand that okay, due to this the rankings have changed. Why it has changed? It might be, say, your content is coming, your traffic is coming through video, so you might see okay, through video the response is less. Instant answer bit is increasing, so instant answer means that you won't get any clicks to your website. Google will itself answer the data. This is one of the best tool. However, we should check some other tools as well. The second best for me in the list is Mozcast, okay, which is a Moz related tool. Moz is a very famous website. When I started my blogging journey, it used to be kind of a number one. SEMrush was not there in existence. SEMrush basically gained its traction due to its affiliate program, where a lot of creators started to promote it, and then it was a good product as well. So that is how the product sales increase, and SEMrush is providing a good data. However, Moz does well in this search ranking. Now Moz has a algo temperature, which is a 90-day weather. It says okay, temperature is high, that means there is a volatility in the search, and if the temperature is low, volatility is less. And then Moz also gives a similar data. Now you will see Moz says video is 25%. However, the interesting bit is that Moz has only analyzed the data till 26th of September, which is same in SEMrush as well. So if you go with video in SEMrush for 27th October, you will see something around 23%. So both are quite equal, quite correct. Okay, so you can correlate this data and then see where which gives you a better result. But Moz has something called domain diversity, where it gives the domain diversity, measures the percentage of unique subdomains across the URLs in the dataset. The less diversity there is, the more domain crowding we observe. So now the domain crowding has reduced. Okay, so is this a good signal or a bad signal? That you have to check. Now average result count, is it increasing, is it decreasing? Like Google results with less than 10 organic listing on the first page, in most cases there are 7 results. So it is saying how many results are coming. So say September was 8.37, it's kind of an average. Okay, then EMD, this is the bit I'd normally track. What is happening with the exact match domain? As exact match domain is one of the factors where people can get a traffic. So if you know some keywords, you can go with the exact match domain and see whether it will rank or not. So it has a traffic, it is consistent mostly now, and after core update it has increased. Okay, so June core update, not, so you won't see this data, but yeah, I have checked it, and exact match domains are getting a bit of a ranking. This is a not an exact match, partial match domains, which is kind of on a fluctuating path. And then big 10 influence are the pages where held by the top 10 subdomains. The top 10 domains list is dynamic and it gets recalculated. Okay, so these are the big 10s. Now the third tool, so go to SEMrush, then Moz, then you go to SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb also provides now a good data. It's all free. Okay, you don't have to buy it anything. You can see the last 30-day average. Okay, it gives the risk score. So from risk level 7th October, it is low for SimilarWeb. SEMrush is mostly volatile. If every tool gives say red or sort of a color, it means something big has happened. Okay, so that is the kind of a signal you will get it. Okay, saying say 2nd October, after 2nd October might be your ranking has decreased, so you know, okay, something has happened on 2nd of October due to which the ranking decreased. Now to correlate it, you can check the winners and the losers. Okay, so based on the winners and the losers, you know, okay, due to this something has happened, due to this now my website ranking is down. So this is one of the other tool which is okay. It doesn't provide a massive amount of data like the other two does, but it does give a decent understanding around anything has happened or not. Then the fourth tool I would say is Algoroo. Okay, Algoroo is kind of a summary tool where it has said that, okay, what is the, so it goes the data, it takes the data to say 2018. Okay, so it's quite long and it gives all the updates and everything. So if you are a SEO master, you know, okay, something was happened in November, my site increased, my site decreased, increased, decreased. All this can be tracked through Algoroo. Okay, and then it's a kind of a simple tool which gives the fluctuations. You can search on desktop and mobile, mostly the results remain the same, and then you can check mostly the google.com, so it's only the US related data. The last tool I would say is SERP metrics. SERP metrics is just as an uh, confirmation sort of a tool, I would say, and it's just to get the Bing data. Now it has stopped showing the Bing data. Earlier it used to provide the Bing data as well, but it has stopped it. So I'm not using this tool right now, but yeah, earlier for any Bing ranking, I was just checking this tool to get the feel around what is happening. So these are the 5 tools which I would say, at least in a week's time, just open it, see it, what is happening. I will provide the links of all the 5 tools and you can check it out. So I will provide a post in my website, Deepavali SEO Tips. You can search over there and I will provide all the links over there. These tools will help you in understanding what has happened in Google, and I hope these tools will help you in increasing your ranking. And I hope you found this video useful. So please do like and share this video in case you found it very useful. Thank you.